Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we are diving into what many consider the best crossbody phone case for the iPhone 13 Pro, the ZVE wallet case. If you're looking for a stylish, functional, and secure way to carry your iPhone 13 Pro, this case is designed to check all those boxes and more. Starting with compatibility, this case is specifically made for the iPhone 13 Pro with a 6.1-inch display, released in 2021. It fits the phone perfectly, ensuring that all ports, buttons, and cameras remain easily accessible without any interference. This precision-cut design means you don't have to worry about removing the case for charging or using your phone's features. One of the standout features of the ZVE wallet case is its RFID blocking technology. This means your personal electronic information, like credit cards and IDs, is protected from unauthorized scanning and theft. For anyone who carries cards frequently, this is a reassuring layer of security built right into the case. The wallet section of the case can hold more than 6 cards comfortably, plus some cash and even keys, which makes it ideal for quick errands or traveling light without carrying a bulky purse. The case also comes with both a crossbody strap and a wrist strap, adding convenience and peace of mind. The crossbody strap lets you keep your phone close at hand without the risk of dropping or losing it, perfect for hands-free movement when you're out and about. Meanwhile, the wrist strap is great for quick access when taking photos or making calls, providing a secure grip without the hassle. In terms of protection, the case prioritizes the safety of your phone's most vulnerable parts. While it doesn't cover the front screen, it has raised lips around the screen and camera, measuring between 0.05 and 0.08 inches. This subtle but effective design protects your phone when placed face down or if it falls, shielding the camera lenses and screen edges from scratches or cracks. The material of the case is a quality leather finish that adds a touch of elegance and durability. The craftsmanship focuses on both function and fashion, offering a sleek look that enhances your style while ensuring your phone and essentials stay safe. It's clear that this is more than just a phone case, it's a versatile accessory that complements your lifestyle. Size-wise, the case measures approximately 5.8 by 2.9 by 1 inch, and it weighs just over 5 ounces. This makes it lightweight enough to carry comfortably all day but substantial enough to feel protective and premium. Whether you're running errands, traveling, or simply want a hands-free option to keep your phone and cards together, the ZVE wallet case provides a thoughtful solution. The inclusion of both wrist and crossbody straps offers flexibility depending on your activity, and the RFID blocking adds a layer of security many cases overlook. Overall, the ZVE wallet case for the iPhone 13 Pro is a well-rounded option for anyone looking for a combination of security, style, and convenience in one accessory. If you want a case that functions as a wallet, offers hands-free carrying options, and provides solid phone protection, this one deserves your attention. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product insights. Until next time.